In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new expense category in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential task if you're looking to keep your finances organized and ensure that all your expenses are categorized correctly. So, let's get started. First, you want to navigate to the chart of accounts. You can do this quite easily from the left-hand menu. Simply click on Accounting and then select Chart of Accounts. This is where all the backbone of your financial tracking begins, so it's important to familiarize yourself with it. Once you get to the chart of accounts, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you'll want to start a new account. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click the New button. This is the gateway to adding a new expense category that will help streamline your accounting process. Clicking this will open a window where you can begin entering the specific details for the new account. In this new account window, you're going to set the account type. Look for the account type drop-down and select either Expense or Other Expense. This choice will depend on the nature of your expense category. By doing this, you're essentially telling QuickBooks how to classify the transactions that will fall under this category, which is crucial for maintaining accurate records. After setting the account type, the next step is to choose a detail type. This helps further specify the kind of expenses you plan to categorize under this account. You'll find the Detail Type drop-down menu, and you should choose the option that aligns most accurately with your new expense category. This allows you to tailor your accounting system more precisely to your business needs. Now we're going to fill in the details. Start by entering the name of your new expense category. This should be descriptive enough that you know exactly what it refers to at a glance. Optionally, you can also add a description or any notes that might be relevant or necessary for your accounting purposes. There are other fields that you might choose to fill in, such as a sub-account or an account number, especially if your business requires a more detailed tracking system. These fields are entirely optional, but can be beneficial for those who have complex financial reporting needs. Finally, it's time to save your new expense category. Simply click Save and Close. Once you've done that, your new expense category is now part of your chart of accounts, ready to be used for tracking your business transactions. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new expense category in QuickBooks Online. Remember, keeping your accounts organized plays a significant role in managing your business finances effectively, so take advantage of these features to facilitate better financial oversight. Thanks for watching. And make sure to check out our other QuickBooks Online tutorials for more helpful tips.